Okay, a really important video to share with you today, and stay tuned, don't go nowhere. Hello there, family friends. If you're from across the world, Joey Jones is back on the road. Well, first, let me say it one more time, and I always say it. Congratulations to all the ones that passed and got the CDL test, and I appreciate your support. I have, it's getting a lot of subscribers, and it's a good feeling because that makes me feel that that I'm doing a great job showing you what to do and how to get your driver's license. But congratulations. This is a real quick video that I want to share with you, and this is really important. It doesn't matter who you drive for, it doesn't matter what truck you pull, 53 footer, 40 feet, whatever. Listen, it's really important, man. Every time I come to a customer to get a live load or live unload, you gotta be careful, man, because right now I backed up into this door, right? So then what you want to always do is, of course, look at your surroundings before you back up. Right now there's a tractor trailer sitting there. I managed to, to back in on my driver's side, and everything went well. I'm in the door right now, and they're getting ready to load me. This container contains 42,000 pounds. So when I backed up in here, I make sure that everything is right, and then I, of course, shock your wheels. It's the most important thing to do. Show you something else here. And right now, the glad hands. You have the emergency brake. This is for your trailer. And you have the blue line. The blue is the service. So when you stop, this stops too. It slows this down. But the red is the emergency service line. And of course, they locked it, which is good. That means you're not going nowhere. If you look on the top, you see that red light? That means you can't pull away, because they have the dock lock on you and you're hooked. You see how you hooked? But sometimes, that's really cool. So then if I try to pull away, I will never pull away because I'm hooked on to the hook latch. You see it? And then that's for, it's for safety purposes. Now, of course, chock your wheels. I like to chock my wheels, to be safe. So then this is what's going on. Every time, like there's a couple of drivers in our fleet that, they hear a bang, like boom, 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 boom. That's a sign. What it's saying to you is that whoever's unloading you, he's finished unloading you. That's not true. You cannot go by that, because one of the drivers that I know pulled away. He heard a noise, he pulled away. The forklift was still inside the trailer. So when he pulled away, he went in and he looked inside. He was like, oh no, but I heard you banging. Doom, 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 doom. No, that wasn't for you. That was for communicating with somebody else. Another pointer is that I want to show you is lower down your landing gear. It'll save the life of your airbags. Okay, we're unloaded. Now, remove your chocks. I didn't hear a bang, but we are released. The light is green. Pull it away. And that's it. Your safety, our safety, their safety. We're good to go. Go home safe with no issues at all. All right, my peoples? Drive safe, be safe. God bless you all. Love y'all. I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.